Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that an event planner is planning a party. It costs the event planner a one-time fee of $35 to rent the venue and $10.25 per attendee. The event planner has a budget of $200, and we're asked what is the greatest number of attendees possible without exceeding the budget. So, if we have a total of $200 and we have a $35 venue rental fee, what we have left is $200 minus $35 is $165 left to account for the $10.25 per attendee charge. So you have $165 left. That's going to be split between all the attendees at 10.25 each. This number is roughly 16.1. What does that actually mean for the number of people that can attend without exceeding the budget? Well, if we can go up to 16.1, that means that if we're at 16, we're okay. But if we go up to 17, that's above 16.1, and we've exceeded the budget. Therefore, the greatest number of attendees that can be possible without exceeding the budget is 16.